Waiting. Acha, acha. Let me see whether I'm getting a message for allowing you. One minute. You be hold on. I will check up whether it is coming that you have come to. I'm admitting you. Yeah, good. Yeah. Hello. Hello. 1 minute. Well, good good evening for you. Good morning for me. Acha, आपका you please unmute your this thing. No, unmute. आपका mute हो गया.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir.
Good. Your interview is on which date?
Sir, my interview is on 17th of December.
17th of December. Good.
Yeah.
In which place?
Sir, it is in Patna, Bihar.
Very good. Now, can you please tell what is your degree?
Sir, I have done BTech in the field of information technology from West Bengal University of Technology in the year 2017.
Where is that college?
Sir, it is in West Bengal.
Acha. You studied in Kolkata?
Yes, sir. I have completed my graduation from Kolkata.
Oh, good. Why did you go to Kolkata? You are actually from Bihar?
No, sir. Actually, basically, I'm from Bokaro, Jharkhand, Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. So, I have given my entrance test for the West Bengal University. So, I got qualified and I selected one of the college in that university only.
Now where do you stay?
Sir, right now in this COVID situation, I'm staying at my home.
At home in which place?
Sir, Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand.
Oh, but your interview will be in, you told me, I'm not remembering it. Which place?
Sir, it is in Bihar.
Bihar, that is Patna.
Patna, yes.
Yeah, good. Now I understand. And what is your job experience?
Sir, I'm having overall 4 years of experience in the IT industry. And recently I'm working with Accenture as application development senior analyst.
Oh,
And before to Accenture, I was working with Johnson Control as an engineering associate.
Now, can you elaborate or tell me detail about your job role in Accenture?
Yes, sir. So in Accenture, basically, I'm involved in the development and requirement analysis, development, bug fixing, as well as the production support whenever required. I'm also involved in the on-call support for the clients whenever any kind of issue arises relating to the software issues. I need to triage them and resolve it over there.
Good. Is it that the work you are doing is that of as an individual or you work as a team?
Sir, I'm working as a team. So we are having a team member of 6 people. So all the people are involved in different tasks. There will be few people, like two of us are involved in the development, two of us are involved in the testing. And whenever the code development is done, it will be tested by our other team members. And once it is deployed, then if any kind of production support is required, or if there is any kind of breakage of code, then again we will provide the production support to that particular team. So overall, we are having a team of 6 members working on the project.
What is the main role you are playing?
So mainly I'm involved in the development process. So I'll be developing the code as per the requirement of their client. And whenever there will be any changes in the code, I'll be doing that code changes, as well as if the bug fixing will be also done sometime. And after deployment, I'll be taking care of the production support also. If there is any code breakage or anything else is required from the client side to handle it.
Can you, your clients are all stationed abroad or stationed in India?
So, sir, like one of the client, when I was in Johnson Control, I worked with one of the client that is Infosys. So we were working for the Infosys for one of the project. But recently in Accenture, I'm working for the clients who are from like US.
Oh, very
Yeah.
good, very good. You are working for US. Those
Mm.
US clients are doing what type of business? Are they in banking or are they in some other line?
Sir, actually, the project in which I'm involved, so the client side is basically related to the Uber, like Uber and Ola cabs which we book. So I am involved in those kind of. So basically, the project is involved in this, like when like the Uber is there whenever. So the Uber will be having the driver and the vehicle. So they have to keep the details of the driver as well as the vehicle part. So like if like we as a customer, if we are booking any Uber or Ola cars, so so we are actually keeping the track of records of the driver details and the vehicle details. We need to provide the insurance details of the vehicle as well as the driver. So mainly those clients, they would have different drivers, so they want us to provide the insurance policy details to them, because if they will not be having the insurance, they won't be able to take a ride. And if any kind of miss things happens in between while taking the rides, so all those kind of things are also taken care. Like we will be developing code for that particular thing, that whether the Uber driver is taking the correct ride or not, they are able to pay, like the customer is paying all the fares in the proper way or not. And if any kind of issues are there from the client side, we will be handling it in the real time also.
Good. Now you are working for some Uber, some cab companies and all. How do you think you will fit into us?
In terms of banking.
Yeah. How do you think you will be suitable for the post of IT support executive?
Yes, sir. So actually, sir, in the Uber, like in the Uber project, like, I'm working for the real time customers. I'm able to handle the real time problems and the issues, and we are triaging them on the daily basis. So in the banking facility, I'll be in basically involved in. I'll have to attend the IT related query, software and hardware related installation and configuration, as well as the configuring of the different applications and software. If any kind of issue arises from the branch side, we have to inquire and also fix them. So like basically it is actually the business are different. Banking sector is a different business and Uber is a different business, but the way of triaging the issues are almost the same. So I think I'm having overall experience of how to triage the issues and how to deal with the customers and the clients. So it will be a very good opportunity for me to work in the banking sector and showcase my skills over there.
Why do you want to come to banking sector? You are comfortably placed in Accenture. Maybe you are getting a lower salary. I'm not sure about it. But why do you want to come from, say, IT field to this banking field? Of course, here also you are going to do IT only. Now, what is the reason that prompts you to come? Is it because Bank of Maharashtra is one of the public sector banks? What is the reason?
Sir, so I'm having both personal as well as professional reason to switch to the banking sector. So the personal reason is that I'm having love and passion for the banking sector from very beginning. So I have pursued engineering, but I came to know that after pursuing engineering also we can come to the banking sectors easily by giving different exams. Apart from that, like nowadays we are.
Don't use the word easily. Easily not required.
Okay.
Mm,
And
mm.
nowadays we are seeing that IT professionals are switching very frequently from one company to another to have a better job and to have some work life balance also, because in IT sector in mostly people are looking for a better work life balance as well as security. And the another reason is that nowadays banking sector is growing very fast and it has job security as well. And
Good. Sufficient. You told that nicely. Good. Very good. Now, what are the various languages you have studied in your computer?
So, sir, in the computer, I have studied C++, Java, and recently I am working on the one of the latest technology, that is Golang.
What is that? Golang.
Golang. It is a new technology, like it is a coding language.
Oh,
So for this Uber company, I'm making development in the Golang language.
okay.
And recently I was developing in the Java.
Which languages that you have studied may be of relevance in banking?
So Java is very relevant because Java is a very secure and robust language, and most of the applications nowadays, because banking is such a field where security is of utmost important, because many customer related data are over there, and there should not be any kind of data breach. So Java is a very secure and robust language. So, and many type of applications are developed on the Java framework. So I have worked on the Java very closely and intensively, so I can contribute a lot to the banking sector in this field.
Can you introduce Java to me? Imagine I don't know anything about Java. Honestly, also I don't know. Please tell me something about Java and how it is closely connected with banking software.
Mhm. Yeah. So, sir, Java is basically object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language, as in sense, like in Java, basically we will deal with the class and the objects. So, class is something like where all the data members and the functions will be defined. I'll give you a real-time example. Suppose a pen is there. Okay, so pen is having the cap, and in a cap inside that the lid is there. So similarly in Java, that outer portion is the class, and the inner portion is all the data members and the functions which we are defining. Suppose I'm having a class called drawing is a class. So, and we can have different type of functions and the data members inside that draw class. Inside the draw class, we can draw any kind of shape like triangle, rectangle, circle. And basically Java has 4 pillars. First is the encapsulation. Encapsulation is that all the data members and the functions, they are inside the class, so it is secure. It is not like visible, it is not publicly visible, it will be private, nobody will be able to access it. The second one is polymorphism. Like polymorphism is it has ability to take more than one form. So in banking sector, I'll tell you, suppose we are having different kind of bank. Suppose a class bank is there. Inside that bank, like every bank will be having different kind of interest, rate of interest. Okay, so like if we want to calculate the simple interest based on the different
Good.
rate of
Sufficient. Now, can you tell me what you want to come to banking industry?
right,
So,
sir.
can you tell me how many public sector banks we have now?
Sir, currently we are having 12 public sector banks.
How many, say, small finance banks do we have?
Sir, as I can recall, I think 32 or 33.
Small finance bank, 11,
10
plus,
10 or 11.
11
10
plus
or
1 more has been given, 12.
okay.
11, we can say 11.
11, okay.
11 are in the second schedule of Reserve Bank of India Act. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. How many RRBs are there? 43.
43. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. 43 RRBs are there. Doesn't matter. Now, come to computer. Let's go to computer. Now, introduce a computer system to me.
Computer system. So, like the computer system, like
Briefly, because as you progress, when you are able to present it nicely, I will switch over to the next question. Introduce briefly computer system to me.
So a computer system is basically a combination. It is an hardware system, and it has many components. Like it will be having the operating system. It will having the different peripheral devices. It will have different input and output devices. So basically, a computer system works when it will be having an operating system. So operating system act as an interface between the hardware and the software. When we switch on our computer system, the initial task that is happened on a computer system is booting. So booting is generally referred to the initialization of all the programs so that our
Okay, you are telling very detailed. Tell me briefly, what are the characteristics of a computer? What are the characteristics of computer? What works it can do for us?
A computer system is an electronics device, so the first advantage is that it helps to minimize the workload of the human resource, like it makes our work faster. um,
No, no. Actually, here you can say a computer system has memory or storage capacity. So
okay.
that is what is making it say easy for us to retrieve something and do. Then some more qualities or characteristics. Maybe you have it in different way, but what I see it here is that number one, it is speed. Speed is good.
Speed,
Accuracy is
accuracy. Okay.
accuracy. Reliability.
Okay, I got your point, like in what
Uh,
terms I should say. I
yeah,
got your point. Yes.
yeah. Tell me.
So a computer system basically has many features. Like first of all is the speed, because the work a human can do in 1 hour, a computer system can do within a second. So speed is one of the fundamental aspect of the computer system. Another one is the reliability. Third one is the storage reliability, in the sense that we have different kind of firewalls and antivirus which can protect our data. So it is very reliable for us.
No, a lot of things can be told, like, for example, flexibility,
Mhm.
convenience. These are
Mhm.
some of the basic things available in our, say, I will give you the link in that when you come to Google, when you come to, 1 minute, I'll give you in chat. I will give you in my chat, and from this link you can download, and
Okay.
you will go to OneDrive page. OneDrive page, I have given so many other materials. Among that, this computer material. Among this computer material, this is the basic things that are asked in our bank exams, basic things, but
Mhm.
which is relevant for your working also. Here it says speed, accuracy, reliability, memory, versatility, automation, diligence, convenience, flexibility, something like that. Not that everything you have to say. Understand?
Yeah, got it, sir.
No. When you come to this, the contents here, you find fundamentals of computer, components of computer system, memory organization, computer software, computer hardware, DB, database management system, computer networks. So this will be of great use for you. Page number 108 to 122. Then basics of internet technology, Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Office, computer network security, abbreviations, glossary, etc. They will be of use. Technologies and terms used in bank. These things are all very well known to you, but maybe you
The
are,
way I'm explaining is in the advanced level. I think that
yeah,
is the advanced level.
very advanced.
Yeah.
Thoda, you should come down to the, of course, the people who are going to ask you are all experts. They are not dull-headed people. They are the people who are working in that line only. So they will ask you questions regarding that. So accordingly, you must be able to manage the questions. Samajh gaya?
Yeah, yes, sir, sure.
Very good.
I'll-
Now let me come to some other letters. Now, what is which type of networking is adopted in banks?
Sir, it will be like basically virtual private network, VPN, because it is secure and it will be within the organization.
What is this? I think I have heard a word known as topology. What is topology?
Sir, topology is the way a kind of network is arranged. We are having different kind of topology, like star topology, tree topology, mesh topology, and all these are having the different kind of features. Like if we consider the star topology, it is very reliable, because if any of the server fails, the other, if any other node fails, it will be connected to 2 or 3 nodes. So if if one node fails, however, we will be able to retrieve the data from the other nodes. So it is very reliable and robust. So different type of topologies are having different kind of features, and
Oh,
according to our requirement, we can use it in our sectors.
yeah, good. Now, what are meant by routers? Routers or routers?
Uh,
ROU, yeah.
Sir,
ROUTERS, routers.
yes, yes. So, sir, routers are basically used for the data communication, like transferring of data from one channel to another channels. So they, like, all the data will be sent in the form of the packets. So it will be
Will we be using routers in banks?
Sir, routers and gateway mainly will be used. Routers and gateway. Extensively gateway will be used
It will be used.
because it is very secure.
Yeah. What are the layers of OSI reference model? Describe
Sir,
each layer. Like, tell me what is a physical layer? What is a data link layer? What is a network layer? What is a transport layer?
Sir, so basically in the OSI, we are having the 7 layers. The first one is the physical layer. So in the physical layer, the data is in the form of bits. And in the physical layer, like we will be concentrating on the, like how the data will be transferring, like by using the virtual switching or a circuit switching, like this type of, like the way it will be transferred. And second one is the data link layer. At the data link layer, the data will be in the form of the frames, and we will take care of the bit framing and other type of stuffs so that the data is secure in it. And the third one is the network layer. So in the network layer, basically it will be in the form of.
Okay, sufficient. Good. You told that nicely. That is okay. Now let me go for the next question.
Okay.
Now, what are TCP and UDP?
So TCP and UDP are transport layer protocol. So TCP is actually connection oriented and UDP is connectionless. So so TCP is a bit slower, but UDP is faster. So any kind of messages like WhatsApp messages or text messages.
What is DNS?
So it is domain name server. So
Very
domain
good.
names are.
What is the difference between domain and work group? What is the difference between domain and work group? All computers are peers and no computer has control over another computer. Domain, network admin uses one or more computer as a server and provide all accesses security permission to other computers. In a work group, each computer maintains their own database. Domain, it is a form of computer network in which computers, printers are registered in a central database, something like that. So many points are given. आप पढ़ लीजिए उसको.
Okay, sir. I'll go
अच्छा,
through it.
ये सब हम लोग का जानना जरूरी है. प्रॉक्सी सर्वर, ये सब नेटवर्किंग में आपको यूज होगा.
Yes, sir. Proxy server is used in the networking. So actually what happens is sometimes like if we are trying to access one or more sites, we won't be able to access because they're in when we will be accessing our website through Google or Chrome or anything, we are having one setting over there that is proxy setting. So some of the website doesn't work in the presence of the proxy setting. So we have to go to the settings and accordingly we have to check and uncheck that proxy setting, and then we will be able to do it. And while also doing many work internally in our companies. So
Very
for
good. You are answering this. Tell me what is the difference between internet, intranet, and extranet?
Sir, so internet is basically it is a connection of 2 or more computers, and it is used worldwide. And intranet is like within the organization it will be an extra.
No, briefly, correct. You are talking very detailed. Thoda briefly batao. Correct. Intranet is within the organization. Extranet.
So like it will be connected to different kind of network outside the organizations also.
External users are allowed or provided with access to use the network application of the organization. Internet applications are accessed by anyone from any location using the web. Okay, very good. What is IP config and IF config?
So IP config will basically give the IP address.
Expansion. IP config.
So
Internet protocol configuration.
Okay, full form. Okay, internet protocol configuration. It will give the IP address at that particular time of the period when we are using the internet.
What is IF config? Interface configuration is a command that is used in Linux or Mac and Unix operating systems. It is used to configure, control TCP/IP network interface parameters from CLI, command line interface. It allows you to see the addresses of these network and address. Doesn't matter. I have given you some material. Whether it is required for you, I don't know. थोड़ा ये सब पढ़ लीजिए. इसका अलावा you also search in Google IT support interview questions.
Okay, sir. I will go through it.
Yeah, then उधर से आपको बहुत कुछ ideas मिलेगा. Simple questions they will ask. They will ask you about say you were talking about some say problems to the computers. What is that? Some say what is that terminology called? Virus or cyber attack. Can
Yeah,
you
cyber.
last question for you briefly? Tell me
Hmm.
something about cyber attacks. How, as internet network administrator, you will prevent them?
Yes, sir. So cyber security is one of very important problem which we are facing every day in different sector, not only in the banking sector. So as an IT support administrator, so cyber security attack can be prevented by many ways. First of all, in a computer system, we can switch on the firewall, which will not allow any other kind of websites which are having viruses or which are not which are very unuseful for our computer system to attack on it. Apart from that, time to time we need to update our antivirus in the systems, and sometimes we need to run different kind of configurations to avoid those cyber attacks in it,
Yeah.
our computer
Now,
system.
in Accenture and all, which
Hmm.
type of cybers, virus software do you use? Are you using the regular ones that we normal people use, like McAfee, then Aviva, like that, or something else specially meant for you?
Sir, we are not using, actually they will provide on their side also. So like suppose nowadays we are working, it is work from home, so we are connecting from any kind of internet. So like if we are connecting from any kind of internet also, now we are having a probability of getting a cyber attack. So sometimes so they allow us to connect through VPN, virtual private network. And so they will give, like currently in the Accenture I'm using Cisco. So Cisco, they provide us the network security. First we need to connect to the Cisco, so it will ask for a one-time login. We need to log in through the OTP, and then we can connect to the any kind of internet for the security purpose. So different kind of companies provide different kind of cyber security to their employees.
You have any idea which type of virus prevention measures banks will be adopting? I'm not sure whether you'll have answer for this. I am not having answer. That is why I'm asking.
Sir, actually, for this cyber secure to prevent cyber security attack in the banking sector, what I think is like banking sector will have tie up from the different software company as well, like McAfee, Cisco, which they provide different kind of security softwares. So banking can use those security softwares to prevent the data breaches in their sector.
Good. Now I don't want to stop. I have to ask you one more question. Tell me something about CBS.
Core banking solution. So sir, core banking solution is basically it refers to the networking of the different branches of the banking sector. Like how, like we as a customer, we can be able to handle our day-to-day activities like through internet banking, mobile banking. So core banking system provide a very good kind of solution to the customer to handle their day-to-day activities through internet banking, mobile banking, and without going to the banks also.
No, but actually core banking solution is a system which connects the main server of the bank to the branches.
Yeah, yes, sir, definitely. This term I should use. That is why, like, we are able to.
That should be told first.
Okay.
And this is useful for customers
Mhm.
in their, this is useful for customers to access from different branches.
Yeah, right. Absolutely
Anyhow,
right.
you are very good in communication, excellent in communication. And there may not be need for one more interview, but however, if you feel like talking to me, you can tell me a time so that we can meet again and talk, because you are talking very nicely. So,
So this is my first interview in the banking sector.
Acha, acha, good.
Very first.
So, but I have not gone much into other aspects. Maybe we will go later on. And you
Yeah.
can watch the other videos I'm posting also. I'll ask
Yeah.
different questions to different people. Some more people I'll be interviewing today. So
Okay.
when I post them, you see them also. That will be of help.
Yeah.
Best
Yeah,
wishes.
sir.
You are done well.
Thank.
I am not able to bring all others also into one, because sometimes people may not like others watching their own performance. You are being seen separately in YouTube is different. But सामने सामने कोई दूसरे का सामने बात करना, you may not have reservation by कोई दूसरा लोग they can have reservation. That's why I'm not allowing. Somebody is waiting online right now. So that's what it is. Anyhow, you are doing a good job. Right now, my evaluation for you is very easily out of 20. How many marks? 25 or 20 for you? Interview?
Sir, it is like it is in the ratio of 60s to 40. So I think it will be
40. Of 40, I can give you easily 32.
okay. Thank you so much, sir. Sir,
Best
I'll
of
improve other
Yeah.
basic
You
areas.
improve other things I have provided. उसका बाद में थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए, ऑनलाइन में भी थोड़ा देख लीजिए. उसका बाद में कभी चाहिए तो आपको 17 तारीख इंटरव्यू हो ना?
हाँ, 17 sir.
हाँ, तो हो तो सो 15 तारीख और 16 तारीख में एक बार में आइए, हम लोग
हाँ.
बात करेंगे. I will be
Sure,
charging
sir.
100 rupees only. No problem.
Sure, sure, sure. Yeah.
Thank you. Best
Thank you,
wishes.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Bye bye.
Bye.